Good day! For today's video, we're going to discuss Physical Education 10, Quarter 1, Module 1, Strength Training. FITT Principle. The FITT Principle is an acronym for Proficiency, Intensity, Time, and Type. These are the key factors in designing an exercise program that will address the current fitness level, provide means to overload the body, and trigger positive adaptations. Frequency. Number of sessions in a week of an exercise program depends on the current fitness level of a person and the type of activity performed. It is important to provide rest days to allow the body to recover. Consequently, beginners should exercise less frequently as compared to athletes. As the fitness level increases, the individual can increase the number of sessions gradually. Intensity. Difficulty level of the exercise or work demand of an exercise refers to the difficulty level of the workout. It is important to set a workload that is more challenging than what one is used to. This factor is affected by the current fitness level and the time allotted to an exercise session. Each type of exercise has its own method of estimating intensity. Time or duration. Duration or distance covered in an exercise session of an exercise session is influenced by the intensity and the type of activity performed. An exercise that is performed at a high intensity level cannot be sustained for a long period of time. Furthermore, a stretching program usually takes a shorter period to complete as compared to resistance training program. Type. Mode of exercise or activity of activity is influenced by the fitness goal and the current fitness level. The program should be designed to produce the best activity that will specifically address the fitness goal. It is one of the best examples where the art and science of exercise prescription come into play. An individual who wants to develop his or her endurance to swim 2 kilometers should choose swimming as his or her main activity. Though there are strategies to achieve this goal, there is no single exercise for a specific goal, but one can choose from various alternatives or activities that will provide enjoyment to him or her. The 5 basic strength training exercises. A. Push-ups. Regular push-ups are prescribed to most people. However, for some who have health concerns, newbies, and even females, they may start off with knee push-ups. Regular push-ups are performed with the body forming a straight line from the heels. The body is lowered until the chest is approximately 1 piece off the ground. The body is then pushed off the ground to return to its original position. Now let's have the kinds of push-ups. Let's have the steps for wall push-ups. 1. With your feet shoulder width apart, stand about an arm's length away from a wall. 2. Place your palm on the wall as you lean forward into a standing plank position. Your arms should be shoulder height and shoulder width apart. 3. Inhale as you bend your elbows and slowly move your upper body towards the wall while keeping your feet flat on the ground. 4. Holding this position for a second or 2. 5. Exhale and use your arms to push your body slowly back to your starting position. Steps in incline push-ups. 1. Place your hands on the edge of the elevated surface. A bench, step, or other sturdy platform are good options. 2. Step your feet back so your legs are straight and your arms are perpendicular to your body. 3. Inhale as you slowly lower your chest to the edge of your platform. 4. Pause for a second. 5. Exhale as you push back to your starting position with your arms fully extended. Steps in kneeling push-up. 1. Begin in the hands and knees position with your gaze at the floor. 2. Place your hands on the ground on either side of your shoulders. Your knees should be at a comfortable distance apart. 3. Inhale as you slowly lower your elbows to bring your chest towards the ground. Be sure to keep your core muscles contracted. 4. Pause for a second in the lowered position. Your chin may lightly touch the ground. 5. Exhale as you push up from the ground to your starting position. Letter B. Superman. From prone lying position, lift both arms and legs. Try not to bend legs, then lower arms and legs without relaxing the ground. C. Crunches. Steps in crunches. 1. Lie down on your back. Plant your feet on the floor, hip width apart. Bend your knees and place your arms across your chest. Contract your abs and inhale. 2. Exhale and lift your upper body, keeping your head and neck relaxed. 3. Inhale and return to the starting position. D. Side crunches. Steps in side crunches. 1. Lie on your back with your hands supporting your head. Bend the knees and rotate your hips to the left. 2. Lift your shoulders off the floor. Squeeze the obliques and hold for 1 to 2 seconds. 3. Slowly return to the starting position. Repeat and switch sides. E. Squats. From an upright position with arms and hands crossed in front of the chest or up, squat lower until the thighs are parallel to the ground. The chest and butt must be pushed out and the knee must not thrust forward beyond the toes. Return to the original position. Keep both legs and slightly bent. To test your knowledge regarding the topic, let's have activity number 1, directions. Perform the following warm-up exercises for 1 minute each and record your pulse rate after each activity for 1 minute. Write your data on a sheet of paper. A. Warm-up exercises. We have jog in place, jumping jacks, and 1 minute step test. Letter B. Workout. Directions. Below is the list of workout exercises. Fill out the table with the number of reps and sets you can perform within a minute. Workout exercises. Push-up, Superman, crunches, side crunches, squats. Letter C. Cool down. Directions. Perform the following cool down activities with your favorite calm music in 1 minute. Determine which part of your body can feel the stretch and tension. Describe your experience in this activity on a sheet of paper. For activity number 2, direction. Create a visual presentation or poster of the different safety tips that we need to consider when doing strength training. Materials needed. Coloring materials, marker, pencil with eraser and ruler. Rubrics for grading. Content, 20 points. Focus, 10 points. Visual appeal, 10 points. And neatness, 10 points with a total of 50 points. Activity number 3. Direction. Record your progress in doing these simple strength exercises by writing how many reps you can accomplish from Monday to Friday. Write your experience as you engage in this activity. You may use music while doing exercises. If you can think of more related activities using improvised equipment, then you may include them. Materials needed. Use your resourcefulness in doing the next activity. You need plastic bottles, water, sand, pebbles, or soil. Filling the bottles with water, sand, or pebbles is a good substitute for dumbbells. Procedure. 1. Make sure to undergo warm-up exercises to condition yourself in doing suggested activity. 2. Perform in a wide space and make sure you are wearing a comfortable fitness attire. 3. Hydrate yourself. 4. Have someone observe you, any member of the family, while performing to get instructions relating to execution, safety, and security. This is our rubric for activity number 3. I hope you learned a lot to our lesson for today. Thank you for listening.